Welcome to MK Tech. In this episode, I will show you how to make 12 to 230 volts inverter 50 Hz or 60 Hz using just the 510, 2 transistors and just a handful of components. So the complete schematics is shown here. So for the input, you need 12 to 15 volts, preferably at 12 volts, with a battery. So for the timing circuit, we need R1 as 10 kilo ohms, R2 as 100 kilo ohms. You can use a variable 50 kilo ohms resistor or potentiometer to adjust the output frequency. So the timing capacitor C1 is 0.1 microfarads. So the connections to the 550 IC are shown here. So this C2 ensures stability of the output. So for the output phase, you need a NPN transistor JP41. It can handle 8 amperes comfortably, and you also need a PNP JP42 transistor. These two are complementary of each other. So for the first transistor, you need an electrolytic capacitor of 2200 microfarads, and for the transformer, you can use any transformer you want to get the preferred output. So for example, this is 222 12 volts output RMS used backwards, so it will convert now 12 volts to 230 volts. So the way this works is when the surface timer generates square wave pulses with a GTC called 50 Hz. So when pin 3 is high, this Q1 will conduct the current to flow through Q1 through the electric capacitor and through the winding of the transformer to ground. When pin 3 turns low, Q1 is turned off and Q2 is turned on. So this resets the core of the transformer and current to flow through the other way around through Q2 to ground. When the process repeats over and over 50 times per second. So this can easily handle about 300 watts. You can parallel more transistors to achieve more output power. So that's all. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing projects and tutorials.